Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix TikTok comments not showing up on your device. So let me show you an example. First of all, let's open our TikTok app. And now let's open up comments. So these are all of the comments on this TikTok video. So in mine, it is currently showing, meaning there is no problem. But if in your device comments do not show up, there are a few steps on how you can fix this error. The first one is by going to your Play Store or App Store and now search TikTok. Now it currently shows open on mine, but if yours says update, it means that your app is not up to date. So the problem might be there because your app is not up to date. Now once your app is updated, try opening TikTok and then loading comments. In most of the cases, the problem will be solved, but if your problem is still there, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, go to apps. Now scroll all the way down until you see TikTok. Now try force stopping the app by tapping the force stop option on the bottom right corner of your screen. And now once you've done that, tap on storage and then clear both the cache memory as well as all of the data of your TikTok app. Now once you've cleared all of the storage and data of your TikTok app, reopen the app. And now you'll have to re-log into your account, but after you re-log into your account, your problem will surely be fixed and TikTok comments will show up. So that is how you solve TikTok comments not showing up. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.